Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into a common problem that Angular developers might encounter during their build process. The problematic scenario we're exploring has to do with the hash codes generated during the build, specifically the format differences between Angular 12 and Angular 18. So, picture this. You're working on your Angular project, and suddenly you notice that the hash codes produced by output hashing are not following the familiar pattern you're used to. It can be a bit disconcerting, right? Let's unravel this mystery together. In addressing this issue, the solution lies in understanding the shift in underlying technologies used for building Angular projects. Angular 12 projects utilize Webpack for the build process, while Angular 18 projects have made the transition to esbuild. These tools handle hashing in slightly different ways, resulting in the varied hash code formats you observed. Rest assured, this change is intentional and documented by the Angular team. You can refer to the official documentation for more insights into the specifics of Webpack in esbuild hash generation. So, next time you see those different hash codes, know that it's all part of the plan. In summary, the discrepancy in hash code formats between Angular 12 and Angular 18 is not a glitch in your build environment, but rather a deliberate adjustment in the build system. By recognizing the switch from Webpack to esbuild, you can better understand why the hash codes appear differently in the two versions. Keep building awesome Angular applications, and remember, there's always a reason behind those quirky little changes along the way. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!